When we look back at historical achievements by women and people of color, we learn how trailblazers' contributions significantly impact modern-day life. As we look forward, let's all aim higher and strive for new achievements and milestones as we create equality for women and minorities. As leaders, we need to make it possible for women and minorities to continue working and have upward mobility within an organization. Cultivating an equal workforce brings more empathy and compassion to the workplace, while creating an environment that's ripe for innovation and company success. Prioritizing diversities in hiring is critical for our economic recovery.